Assalamu alaikum everyone. If you watch this entire video today, you too will be able to fully automate your Facebook page just like I have done. So, with the power of AI, your Facebook page will reply 24/7 on your behalf and even confirm orders for you automatically. You can sleep peacefully day and night while your page keeps working for you around the clock. On your Facebook page, automatic replies will be sent by AI and it will respond even more smartly than you do once you teach it. This is a very important feature. Another thing is, suppose AI chats with 123 to 200% more people. So from there, you can actually see who is confirming orders. You can easily monitor this, which is a really great feature as well. Those who have confirmed their orders can enter the order with just one click. Whether it's Patao, Voice Check, or Fast Courier, the AI will be able to understand voice, image, and everything else. If you are a business owner, whether it's BAPA, any organization, or any Facebook page, you can automate it however you want. At the same time, you can also do this on WhatsApp. Let's get started. And before that, let me clarify that this is 100% official. It has been done using Facebook's own app, so it will work on Facebook pages. So there is no risk, no problem. You can do it very easily. So let's begin today's video. In most cases, you are mobile phone users, so I will show the video using a mobile phone. Welcome back. I am now on the mobile screen. So first, from your phone, open your Google Chrome browser, or any browser really. I am using Google Chrome. After opening the browser, search for aiinsubbush.com. I've written it on the screen, so search for it just like that. After searching, you'll see the option to start free trial. Click on that. Then it will ask you to create an account. We are creating the account in a very easy way, so to do that, click on sign up with Google. From here, select any one of your Google accounts, or what we call Gmail. I am selecting one of my Gmail accounts. After selecting, click on the bottom right here. Once you click continue, your account will be created very easily. Everyone can do it. I hope that's clear. Now click on the left side. At the top left, click on the three dots, then go to buy package and click here. After that, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you'll see a free package available. We will click on start free trial for this package. Okay, once this is activated, it becomes really easy. So what do we do next? Again, click on the three dots at the top left, then scroll down. Here, in the connection page, under Facebook Setup, click on Connection. After clicking on Connect, click right here on Continue with Facebook Sonography. Then simply press Continue right here. Okay? After clicking here, this area is where your Facebook page will appear. In your case, a page might show up, or it might look like this. These are what we call business managers. If you have a business, or if you have a business manager, it will appear right here. Otherwise, it will directly show your Facebook page here. From here, select the page you want to connect on the workbook. I am selecting my page from the list below. Okay, so I am selecting my page Dolna Show, as I will do this on that page. After that, I will click Continue. Then click on Save. That's it, it's really simple. The previous steps were a bit hard, but these are very easy, okay? Now I will click Got It. See, it is successfully connected. I have shown this to you in a really simple and easy way, right? Okay, so now this part of the process is done. Next, there is another important task for us. If you hire a new employee at any company, you need to explain to them, yes, you will do these tasks for me in this way. In the same way, now you have to instruct the AI on how it should reply on your behalf or on your page. So we have made this process much easier for you. So let me show you a bit more about how this works, okay? Next, let me show you a bit more set that. Okay, click on the three dots at the top left, then scroll down, the kicks. Here, you'll see either page setup or Facebook setup, depending on which connection you have. There are two options. Click on System Prompt here. From this point, there are a few things to note. It says here that if you have a product, like a cradle, a science kit, or any kind of physical product, and by product, I mean something that is delivered to homes or is a specific product type. And if it's a service, in that case, the system is 1 o'clock. And if it's a product, the system is different. If I show the product, so what should you do for a product? For a product, you can see there are two options above. Use English template and use Bangla template. There's also a second English template. We provided it in Bangla. We'll select number 1, which is the Bangla template. Here, my proof is automatically inserted. Yes, we had prepared this beforehand. So for those who have products, they can add it with just one click from here. Just clear out everything that is given here. And you can see for yourself exactly how it's written. If you understand the prompt, you can write it in your own way. There is absolutely no problem at all. Alright, the main point is that you are making the AI understand through the proof, telling the AI to work in this specific way. Okay, so now we clicked on Save Prompt. There's another thing left here. I showed how to do it for products. But now how exactly do we go about showing it for services? So there is a solution for this as well. As you can see on the left side, click on the three dots, then click on the prompt template that's there. Here, you can see all kinds of prompts. There are already prompts for e-commerce, customer service, food restaurants, those who might need copywriting weekly. Then there are prompts for real estate, business, education, everything is included. We've kept all of these so you can copy them as needed. You can use them, okay? Now, since this is our product, in this case, we've already set it up here, okay? So after setting it up, our next task is to add our products. Yes, to add the products, how do we do that? You will click on the three dots again, then go to the Manage section. From there, go to Products and Services and click here. Then from here, go to the Product menu. Here you need to add the product. To do that, click on Add Product. Then in the product name field, write the name. I am writing 19-inch, 19-inch. Baby cradle. Baby cradle. Baby cradle. Okay, so here I selected the category as cradle since it is a cradle. Description means you can write detailed information about the product if you want, but it's not a problem if you don't. Okay, since the government is showing it, I'm skipping this for now. Now I'm entering the price. The price is 1,500 rupees. Now how many are in stock? I see that I have 20. Next, here is the size. At night, our size is 19 inches, so we wrote 19 inches. That means for each product, you enter the size as appropriate. If it's clothing, then you can enter sizes like XL, S, M, etc. Or if it's glass, you can enter the glass size. It's not a problem if you don't enter it. Okay, for color, we'll select blue. The blue color, which I am showing in the picture, here's the picture. Okay, we've also added the local color option. Picture, okay, is everything done? Now we're saving it. It's really easy to add a product. Okay, after number 1, let me do another one the same way, alright? I'm doing another red swing in exactly the same way at 2 o'clock. Now we'll check finally. Now it's time for us to check whether our AI chatbot is working or not. Okay, so now we're going to Messenger. I've already opened the page beforehand. Okay, now I'm going to message this page. I send a message saying, Assalamu alaikum. Let's see if they reply. The fruit of all our hard work. We still check in various ways at this stage, but it's already happening. If you look, it's already done. Now let me check another thing to see if there's a reply. You might say, well, you can see for yourself that there's a reply. So we've come back here again. After coming to the website, at the bottom right corner, here is the chat. Click on the chat. Here I'm clicking on Messenger, where our page is connected to Messenger. Okay. See here, a message has come in at 1 o'clock. If you check, it will also show 100 here. Okay, so I'm clicking here. Look, this is where you need the message plan below. This is what's replying. Now let's do a bit more messaging, okay? Now it has replied to the greeting. Now I'm saying, I want to buy a cradle. I want to buy a cradle. Is it replying again after replying to the previous message? From my end, the system I set up is working, but it's asking whether I want blue or red-black color. It's offering both colors. Okay, so I want to go with blue color. I'll take the blue one. I'll take the color. It's very human-like, and there are many more special features. I'll show you a bit later. Let me check this first. As you can see right here, it's asking for your name and address. Oh, now I really want to see the picture. Please show me the picture. Let me see it. Let's see how it looks. I'm setting it to Bangladesh. If it's in Bengali or English, it might get confused, but it should understand. Alright, let's see if you can really send a picture. Look, it sent a blue colored cradle. Okay, that's fine, I'll take it. Now I'm giving my name and address to order 6 of them. For example, I'm giving any name and address. Okay, I've filled in everything as I said. I've entered the name, phone number, and address. Now I've added the subject. It's shown. Now let's see what reply comes, how they accept the order. Typing again. Okay, it's saying your order is confirmed. Lil Kalam means it gave a summary, but at the end, it's not reading it first. It's still waiting for my response. Am I really going to buy it or not now? It told me that just saying yes would be enough, so I said it. Okay, just saying okay is enough, then I saw yes. That means now you just have to say it. When you say, okay, I'll take it, or however you say it, it will understand. But look at that. But it's already confirmed here. And it shows you some features, like I was saying. Now, the orders that have come to the shop on this page, it sent 100 messages. From there, if you actually want to check who is coming and going, you'll say, why? People go back to the website to understand. After going there, everyone, the messages actually come here in advance, okay? So after we arrive, now we'll click again, going downwards. Here, click on orders. See, here at 1 o'clock, the one we just did is showing up. Here, the name, address, everything is appearing. Look, it's actually a very interesting thing. See, the name, phone number, address are all coming up. You just sent the product by filling in all the details. The product is absolutely perfect. Now, as you can clearly see, the chat history appears right here. See how smart it is? That's what I was talking about. Now, there are some special features. Let me show you. Click a little to the upper left on Strid. Then, for the main feature, click on Feature. From here, there's Human Takeover. What does Human Takeover mean? Here, it's like after the customer sends a message at 1 o'clock. At certain points, if you feel that you need to reply here, then you can reply there. At that moment, the AI will automatically turn off. It will stop and it won't send any more messages. If you set it to 5 minutes here, what will happen is, when you go to message a customer at 1 o'clock and reply at 1 o'clock, then the AI will only stop in that particular chat with that person. It will be paused for 5 minutes, okay? This is the human takeover. I set it to 5 minutes, okay, save. Alright, let's move forward. Next, let me show you some more systems. The main feature I want to show you is this large schedule. Let's say you can't send messages yourself all day. Maybe you don't need it all the time, but just during the night. In that case, you can easily enable it right here. There are 7 days in a week, and you can choose on which days and at what times you want the AI to run. Note, you can configure it exactly as you prefer. For example, let's say you want it to run from 12 o'clock at night until the morning. It will keep running until that time. During this period, I won't be involved. This will handle everything. After that, I will join in. Sir, you can enable this advanced feature. It's really convenient. Just enable it and make the changes, and we won't need to do anything. I'm not doing it, nor is anyone else. Okay, let me show you a bit more. I'm clicking again, and now let's come back here. So, what is this smart fail feature? Suppose someone sends a message to your Facebook page, and then the AI replies instantly. For example, the customer says, "Hi," and our AI responds, "Hello, how can I help you?" But then the customer sends another message like, "Okay, I'll take it," and then leaves. After that, the AI replies again saying, "Alright, please provide your name." But the customer still hasn't replied. Now, if you enable this smart follow feature, what will happen? Suppose you set it to 5 minutes here, then 10 minutes, then 15 or 20 minutes. After setting these intervals, if you have a 1 o'clock message set here, then if the customer doesn't send any more messages, the bot will automatically send that 1 o'clock message after the specified time. Whatever you write here, that's the message that will be sent. For example, you can write something like, "Brother, you wanted to buy, but you haven't informed us anything." So that's the message it will send there. This is a distinct feature of the 1 o'clock message. Now, actually, many orders can be managed with this button. Okay, I hope you understand. But here, there's another thing. I might have made a mistake, which is about the phrasing here, as far as I've seen. Let me show you the free trial. Click on the 3 dots at the top left, then go to My Package. Sorry, I meant to say My Package. Click right here and you'll see that you are currently using the free trial. Here, each base allows for 6 uses in total, but it's already been exhausted. There's a notification to check, so please take a look at that. Now you might have a question about how to buy the packages. To purchase a package, simply click Upgrade under any package you want. After selecting the one you need, the payment option will automatically appear below. Select that. Then click on Pay below. From here, you can pay using either Bcash or Nagad. Okay, just wait here for 5 seconds. See, it's now completely and successfully activated. At the top, it shows activated. So now we'll go to My Package again. Go and check, you'll see that it's activated. Look, this is a basic package, but it's been activated and our limit has increased. Okay, now what if I don't want to go through all this hassle? If someone could do all these things for me, the things I just showed, if someone could do them for my business, from the basics to all the advanced tasks, if they could handle everything, then you should contact us at this WhatsApp number. Our team will take care of everything for you. You won't have to do anything yourself. However, there is a specific fee for this, but it's very minimal. Depending on the size of your business, the fee will vary, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. For example, it will range from 500 to 1000 taka or within 1000. It won't go beyond that, so there won't be any significant expense for this. You can do it this way for a very small amount if you want a hassle-free method.